Hi, Mr. Bindra. Thank you so much for coming to this event. Really appreciate it. It's a pleasure hosting you. So, Mr. Bindra, may I ask you, how's your experience about this CX Future Vision Summit?
No, I think thanks for having me. I think it was a fantastic event, a lot of engaging conversations, and more importantly, a very energetic crowd. And I'm taking away, a lot of insights, which I look forward to implement in my organization. And thanks for having me over today.
Wonderful, wonderful. Again, Mr. Bindra. Also, if one question about a customer experience, if
Sure.
may I ask you, how do you see customer experience future in this AI-driven digital world?
I think we are at the onset of a long curve of AI in India, both globally. I think there's going to be a massive transformation in customer experience, which is going to be AI first and digital first. I think both at Unity Small Finance Bank and I think within banking industry, I think there are going to be multiple use cases where AI will be a disruptor. We're already seeing chatbots, voice bots, which are data driven, right? And things like conversational AI and large language models coming into the picture. I think the future is uh, you know where customer experience is going to be more human centric, driven by AI, driven by predictive analytics, and large language models helping deliver phenomenal experience, while delivering business metrics, right? Thank you.
Thanks, Mr. Bindra.